Hello, it's Olivier. I'm in Paris today, as you can tell, with the Eiffel Tower behind me. And today I'm making a special episode because first I'm by myself and I'm not going to show you some touristic attraction of Paris. I'm going to show you what is happening nowadays. It rained a lot, and La Seine, the river who goes through Paris, its level is getting quite high, and it starts to flood the city. So far not too bad, but they say it can happen. Actually, it already did happen 1 century ago. It flooded the whole Paris. So I will walk around and show you what is happening now. So first you can see the bridge, too small for a boat to go through. And we are now going to Ile Saint-Louis, Riverside, where is Notre Dame, but this is the Pont Neuf, and you can see there's a park we will visit. Well, not visit because we cannot enter. Usually it's a very nice park where you can have picnic or whatever and take the boat to explore the Paris by Seine. Not today, so let's have a look. So usually you see there's a road because you have dock here. You can go through, walk, have picnic because we love to picnic in Paris. And now you can just see the trees are the only proof. Usually you can do something here. I was going to go down, but I guess it's forbidden. So now we are going on the islands through the Pont Neuf. So it's the oldest bridge in Paris. I said not touristing, no tourist stuff, but some info. And we will go see the park. As you can see, it's a very popular attraction, but it does not happen very often. Last time was in 2016 in June, and the level was actually higher, but I was not a vlogger by then, so I just took some pictures at the time. So I'm arriving to the park where you usually take the boat. Here they still have some lockers, love lockers. Obviously forbidden to go. So you have to imagine there's usually a park with flowers, and actually you have to climb some stairs to go inside the park. So it's really high. And you take the boat here, but it's closed. So let's continue, and I will just walk as I usually do and try to see some stuff interesting because my vlog are never prepared. I improvise everything. So again, you can see here there's an access to the docks. Not anymore. And as usually, the trees now in the water. And you can see the flow of water is quite strong, so it makes it quite dangerous. That's why I won't go too close to the water. Okay, I know what I just said, but and you can see the water is quite dirty, like muddy now. Usually, actually, you can see through, and if you go close to La Seine, you can even see the bottom of the river. So it's not that dirty usually. So actually the situation in the suburbs where there's some river, including La Seine, but also La Marne, the situation is way worse. The houses are flooded, but they construct everywhere, and to be honest, the water is first stopped there. They know it will happen again, and that the river will flood Paris really bad, and will cost billions of euros. So they try to avoid it by all costs, including flooding other place of France. We are like that here. Here again, from each side, you can usually walk. You have even the area, the train there. But I guess now it's not walking anymore, it's floating. We are at Saint-Michel, and we are going to Notre Dame, very famous Cathedral of Paris. So if you wonder why I choose to go this direction, since Eiffel Tower is behind me, it's because this part will be the worst flooding related. We will now enter the garden of Notre Dame, the square Jean 23, and go to another island where it will be worse. So you have to realize every time you see a bridge, usually boat like this can go through. The level is now 6 meters almost. I don't know what is the usual level, but I guess it's less, well less. Maybe 0, I don't know. As I told you, I improvised and I didn't check this. Okay, so I wanted to show you the building, which is now under the water. Usually you can go there, don't know, it's like some stuff from the town hall, like maintenance, I don't know. But now it's totally flooded and probably lots of destruction in it. And there you have some construction stuff. So here, temporary stuff, but also flooded. If that can tell you and give you an idea of what's happening right now in Paris. Okay, so now I have to walk for a while to go to the next destination, so I'll find you there. And here we are at the last destination of our journey. So usually here you have like 4 or 5 meters for people to play, dance, and now it's really flooded. You can see there's even a park here. People can play ping pong, water ping pong, this sport. And water is, I'm not sure, no, they are supposed to be waterproof. From here, you can walk there, also there's everywhere through the other side of the park. You need to see here. Stairs continuing, then the park, background. And this concludes this vlog in Paris about the flooding in a park flooded. That's of circumstance. And I hope you enjoy. If you don't know my channel and came here for the flood, I suggest you to check my other series about Taiwan, travel vlog with friends, all the island covered. So have a look. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and or thumbs down if you didn't. And share it and subscribe to my channel. It really helps the support. And hopefully see you in next video. Bye bye.